news from us today. We have just bought our first compact tractor for the Croft. But like most things living on an island, well, it's not as simple as popping down to a dealership. So let's go take a look.
We found this tractor online from a seller on the mainland. We couldn't see it in person, so had to take a bit of a leap and trust the advert. A few phone calls back and forth, and we just hoped it was as described. Then came the challenge of getting it here. We arranged the local courier way out west transport, crossed our fingers and waited. And here it is, our new bit of kit for the Croft. It's a compact model, ideal for what we need as we get started. It'll be a game changer for digging, moving compost and getting the land into shape. Living on an island has its challenges, especially when it comes to big purchases like this. We were lucky the seller was genuine and can't wait to start using it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying our Islay life so far, and make sure to subscribe so you can follow along.